Hello everyone, and let's start our brainstorming session. Based on our flow for delivery one, I think we need to identify the core classes for our food ordering system. Anyone got any idea?
Yeah, I think the system must start with the menu. We define need a menu item class to store the ID name and price of the item.
Got it. I will create a box for menu item. Should we differentiate between food and drinks?
Yes, exactly. We should have the item solid food and drinking for the beverage. Even for the attribute, common attribute, but the different specific like the food category or drink temperature.
And then, what about the customer's part?
Mm,
That will be the order class, right? It needs to track who is buying and what they bought.
But before the order, I think we need a way to link a specific item to a quantity. Like one customer might order the burger. Should we put that in order or a separate class? Let's just order item. It can hold a menu item and a quality attribute. This make it easier to calculate the total. So that we should have all the item. So we have the order. For the order, we should have the payment to pay the item for the play before the total. So in this order, what we need to include?
For the order, I think need an order ID, status, and total amount. And also most important is also the calculate total method.
Oh, customer info also need to include inside the order. What we should include in the payment? The detail and the method. Oh, method is like we can use hashtag DNG or Visa. Right. For the order item, I think that we can have the food and its quantity and also item price.
I think you are right. For me, I think we should add one more feedback, which include the ID, rate, and message.
Oh, The main system we need is food ordering system. Right. As Zimin already taught that our our main system. So our class like this like. Right. So we still have any addition? Right.
I think that's all for
Okay,
now,
bye.
so we can move on to our former UML diagram.
Okay, bye.
These classes connect. Why did we choose inheritance for the menu?
Oh, inheritance for the menu ah. Wait ah. I think we can extend the menu item. Like we can separate it to food item and also drink item.
Okay, now what about order and order item? Is aggregation or composition?
I think it's composition because the customer details for a specific order are intrinsic to that transaction. And if the order is deleted, that specific delivery record for that order shouldn't exist either.
Uh,
Okay, I agree, but what about order and payment?
For order and payment, I think it's aggregation because the payment logic is a separate entity. In some systems, payment records might be achieved even if the order object is destroyed.
Okay, so we mark it as aggregation, but what about the whole system, the food ordering system class?
I think the food ordering system should composition relation with the feedback because feedback data can store within the controller memory space as a core part of its internal state. If the food ordering system is deleted, the feedback entire years also do not still exist. Right. I think food ordering eh, I think food ordering system also should composition with food item leh. Drink item also composition to the food ordering system. You see the white box, is it correct? system, we have the food ordering system and the order. Oh, right. Food ordering system and order can act as a collection manager for historical record. If the food ordering system is deleted, the order subject also stored in the history do still exist as the independent entity until specifically deleted, which conflict its aggregation. Right. You means like this. Right.